Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video we are going to explore the parts of a circle and the definitions of these parts. Make sure you watch it till the end. A circle is a round plane figure whose boundary, the circumference, consists of points equidistant from the center of the circle. So what this means is that if you choose any point on the circumference of a circle, it will be the same distance from the center of the circle. The sector is enclosed by two radii and the arc between them. The quadrant is a quarter of the circle, and just like the sector, it too is bound by two radii and an arc. The semicircle is bound by the diameter and half of the circumference. The segment is bound by a chord and an arc. The circumference is the boundary which encloses and forms the circle. The arc is any part or section of the circumference. The diameter is a line which touches the circumference at 2 points and passes through the center of the circle. The radius is a line running from the center of a circle to the circumference. It is half the length of the diameter. The chord is a line that touches the circumference at 2 points but does not pass through the center of the circle. The tangent is a line outside of the circle which touches it at 1 point, but if extended, will not enter the circle or break the boundary. The normal is a line that is perpendicular to the point of tangency. As always, if you've learned anything, please leave a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe for more videos.